That means we have 2 councillors, honorable members in Akamkpa Legislative Council who are defecting from all progressive Congress, APC. They are coming back to PDP today. We are so glad of their coming. We have Honorable Mercy Ntui, member representing Akamkpa Ward, Akamkpa Urban Ward in Akamkpa local government. We also have Mrs. Honorable Atom Watop, representing Ojuk South Ward in Akamkpa local government. Today is a great day. I want to receive them, having written their letters of resignation to their respective wards. And they have come to the chapter today to identify themselves that they are fully coming back to their home. The People's Democratic Party, the largest umbrella, the party of the people. Power! PDP! Power! Because you have decided to come to PDP, may I give you opportunity to tell us the reason why you are coming back to PDP?
PDP!
Power!
PDP!
Power!
I want to start by thanking everybody here, specifically thanking my able chapter chairman that has been not only a chapter chairman, a friend and a brother to us. PDP!
Power!
Our movement, so to speak, because I won't want to say it was the campaign as well, was one that was under so much duress. We all understand what Nigeria is. Sometimes people go to police station and confess what they are not because of pressure, duress. So we took that step painfully, we took that step reluctantly, we took that step with so much pains in our hearts to have left our motherboard, the springboard, the party that gave us the mandate, the party that gave us the opportunity, the platform, the grace was on us there. So we left grudgingly. You can understand as parents when your child does not want to do something. You understand how the child steps. That was how we took those kind of reluctant steps and went there. Lo and behold, on getting to the party, it was as expected. We were so much marginalized. We were so much. We were just seen as threats. Even in the chambers, they will not say one or two things without referring to all these PDP councillors. All these PDP councillors. That has always been our slogan and our. If you just say all these PDP councillors, we don't look at ourselves. We know ourselves.
They know who they are referring to.
They know. Even then, go for so many APC meetings, they won't even call us. Sorry, I'm not taking your time. There's something that was supposed to be shared. Somebody said, don't give to Honorable Mercy. She is still in PDP as a then. So it is as led by the Spirit, because even the people that crucified Jesus were saying, if you say you are the king of Israel, not only that they were indirectly calling him the king, they were already calling us PDP councillors. So there was no need, so to speak. We were just looking for opportunity. We were just looking for the slightest window to just open so that we take off. So last week, 2 weeks ago, the opportunity came and we grabbed it, we seized it, and we are back home. We feel comfortable.
Sure. And
you see from our uniform, we ironed it. We did not use it. I went to the director and said, if you are burning clothes,
don't burn this one.
Don't burn this one. PDP! Power. It's good to be back home. PDP!
Power. PDP! Power! After these positive testimonies, and you have so expatiated reasons why you have come, that indeed you were PDP at heart, but by circumstance you were mocked to be where you were not supposed to be. I hereby, as a chapter chairman, by the mandate conferred in me, receive you wholeheartedly into PDP. And on that note, I issue you this party membership card of identity, that from this day onwards, today, the 7th day of April 2022, that you remain a PDP member. You are welcome. Congratulations. 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 PDP power. PDP power.
Congratulations. Your boss at the council is the other way. And you see now, you have come back here, so you need, it is that courage that drove you to come. It is the need to serve your people proper that made you to come. So I thank you very much, and I welcome you